I'm Mauro Epis from Lelit, and today we will change the grinder motor from Anita. These operations are the same for all the Lelit grinders on Anita machine. Remember to use the gloves. Disconnect the machine to the power supply. Use the screwdriver PH1 to unscrew the two screws of the top of the machine and remove the water tank. Remove also the resin filter and the cover, hopper cover. Remove the water drain. Now I can remove the top machine. I have to push tube. Okay. Use the PH2 screwdrivers in order to remove the grinder from the machine. I have two screws and one screw as this. Now remove the knob. We have to remove the spout of the grinder. Remove the lower blue wire. This. Remove the grinder. And remove the upper wiring. It's a blue wire. Remove the coffee cute from the new motor. Reconnect the motor. This brown wire with this male fasten, and I have to reconnect this blue wire with the female fasten with the switch button. Insert the new motor. Pay attention at this wire. Screw the 3 screws. One. And 3. Insert the blue wire, this blue wire, in the box. Reinsert the coffee cute. Reinsert the knob. Okay. From the older motor, you have to remove this washer and this screw. Okay. Fix the washer on the left of the coffee cute. insert the new bean hopper with the number 3 in front of you. Place the top panel on the machine. Now the tube is closed. Look this tube. You have to install correctly and check if the water passage is free. Water. Insert the power cord and turn on the machine. Drain a little bit of water. Wait until the machine is at the correct temperature. Connect the filter holder. Insert a little bit of coffee in the upper and test the coffee grinder. The first grinder. Okay. In this case, the irrigation was faster and we didn't reach the right pressure. Let's adjust the coffee grinder in order to have a right extraction. Adjust it during the grinding. Let's try again. We put a little bit of coffee. Okay. Let's try again. Let's try again. Let's try again. coffee. Now the irrigation is so slow and we have to open the burrs a little bit. Okay. We have to open the burrs. We have to open the burrs a little bit more. Okay, now we have pressure. The coffee is good, and this is a medium position for the beans hopper. Okay. Finish the coffee into the coffee grinder. Turn off the machine, remove the power cord, remove the cover, remove the water tank, remove the top cover. Now remove the beans hopper. Reinstall this washer and the screw in the right position. Clean the hopper. Put a little bit of glue in the base of the hopper. One and 1, 2. A little bit, and install the hopper with the free number in front of you. Insert the tubes into the hole on the upper part to the bodywork. Take care to insert the upper bodywork in the red rubber. Use the screwdriver PH1 to screw the 2 screws on the top of the machine. 1 screw here and 1 screw here. Reinstall the resin filter. Okay. In the smallest tube, insert the water tank, the resin filter first, and the second tube second. And now we're finished. Thank you for watching.